Welcome to this video exploring the complete history of the Cypriot pound, a journey through coins and culture spanning from 1879 to 2008. This video tracks the evolution of the currency through three distinct phases: the predecimal system, the era of decimal mills, and finally, the decimal cents era. The Cypriot pound originated in 1879, when Britain introduced it to replace Ottoman currency, a decision that was notably questioned in the British Parliament. The predecimal system was mathematically complex, where 1 pound equaled 20 shillings, which in turn equaled 180 piastres. Over time, the composition of the coinage shifted. We moved from the silver era in the early 1900s to the cupro-nickel era by 1947. In 1955, the government introduced the decimal mill system, where 1,000 mills equaled 1 pound. Interestingly, the UK itself never adopted this system. During the Queen Elizabeth II era, mills were minted that corresponded to the size of previous shillings. Notably, the 1956 5 mil and 100 mil coins are extremely rare. Following independence, the Republic of Cyprus began striking its own coins in 1963, featuring inscriptions in Greek, English, and Turkish. In the 1960s and 70s, rare metal coins were issued, featuring Archbishop Makarios III and the Byzantine double-headed eagle. The second decimal shift occurred in 1983, with the introduction of the cent, where 100 cents equaled 1 pound. The 1/2 cent was minted only that year. Cypriot coins also served as a canvas for cultural heritage, with designs highlighting artifacts like the ancient bull bowl and clay vases. The 20-cent coin also saw an update in 1989, changing from a bird design to one honoring the philosopher Zeno of Citium. The iconic 50-cent coin featured a unique rouleau heptagonal shape and depicted the mythological abduction of Europa by Zeus. On January 1, 2008, Cyprus transitioned to the euro at a fixed rate, and pound coins ceased to be legal tender by the end of that month. For collectors, coins like the 1956 100 mil, the 1966 Makarios metal coin, and the 1,983.5 cent remain vital pieces of history to preserve.